Stay in the loop. Understanding looped in English. Hello, dear viewers. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the English phrase, looped in. It's a phrase you might have encountered in emails, meetings, or casual conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're just looking to polish your language skills, understanding such phrases is key to effective communication. So, let's dive in and get you looped in on everything you need to know about this expression. When someone says they'll keep you looped in, they mean that they will keep you informed or updated about a particular situation or topic. The phrase suggests that there is a circle or loop of communication, and you are inside that circle. Being looped in means you won't miss out on important information and will be included in further discussions or emails. The idea of being looped in likely comes from the concept of being inside or outside of a physical loop, like a circle drawn on a piece of paper. If you are inside the loop, you are part of the group that is informed or involved. If you are outside, you are not. Over time, this concept was metaphorically adopted into our language as a way to describe inclusion in communication or decision-making processes. Now, let's see how to use looped in properly in different contexts. In a business setting, please make sure to keep all the stakeholders looped in on any updates regarding the project. Among friends, I'm glad you looped me in on your travel plans. It sounds like an exciting trip. In an email, I will loop you in with the rest of the team once I have more details. Remember, it's a versatile phrase that can be used formally or informally, but it's always about sharing information. It's important not to confuse looped in with being physically tied or locked in. It has nothing to do with actual loops or being restrained. Also, avoid using looped in situations where secrecy or exclusivity is required. This phrase inherently means you are willing to share information openly. That's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, looped in. I hope this video has clarified its meaning and how you can use it in your own communications. Being looped in is all about being kept in the know. And now that you understand this phrase, you'll always be part of the English-speaking loop. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful language tips. Until next time, keep learning and stay looped in.